it's your boy KW. Back up another video. This is Sweetie New Year's fireworks. Ooh, I like them lights. That is fire. They doing over the bridge. That fire. Look at all them lights, man. Dang, look at that. That's so pretty. Yeah, I like that. What this is? New Zealand. Oh, I like them. But ooh, that pretty too. Golly. They got all type of pretty stuff on that thing. Whoa. They got 2023 Hong Kong. Wow. Look at all that stuff, man. All them fireworks here. Well, that is fire. I think Hong Kong got the best one so far, man. They got them fireworks on the building. People in the boats or ships, whatever you call it. And I'm looking at the fireworks that hard. Taiwan. Let's see what y'all got, man. Or just blowing fireworks on top of a building. That fire too. That fire too, man. Y'all gotta do a look up. That is raw. United Aberries. Ooh, that is beautiful. All these fireworks fire. Ooh, they got on the side of the building, and they got 2023 coming down. Dubai. Ooh, they got that thing in the middle. They got a little firework coming up. Okay. Stop playing now. New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yeah, once again, Happy New Year's to everybody. Cause it's still New Year's. You know what I'm saying? New Year, first day. Yeah. Okay, they got them thing back to back, and they got some more small ones at the bottom. That is fire. All these good fireworks, man. Popping left to right. Just look at this thing. This just beautiful, man. London, so beautiful, man. So beautiful, mates. My gosh, mates, look at these lights. Oh, yeah. That blue buildings, and they got 2023 with something. I can't read that. Oh, my goodness. Good lights, man. Good lights. Just so beautiful. Now, what this is? Paris. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Paris most definitely beautiful. Most beautiful. 2023, man. Stop playing. Paris. They repping that. Ooh, oh my goodness. Yeah, I think Paris got the best. I changed my mind. Paris got the best. Look at Greek. Oh my goodness. It's some beautiful fireworks, man. I still think Paris got the best though, but I'll say, you know what I'm saying? Dang. Yeah, there's a lot of fireworks. A lot of people out there too. That is a lot of fireworks, man. But speaking of fireworks, I hear somebody popping fireworks outside right now as I'm looking at fireworks. So gorgeous. New York City, yeah, this one. I got to go down there one time to see the ball drop every year when New Year come. Oh, they kiss for New Year. Oh, no. Turn that. No. Oh, hell no. What they got going on, man? They tripping. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in that video, man. Shout out the news, man, for showing us all the fireworks around the world. And y'all keep chasing y'all dreams. And, yeah, man, see y'all in that video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I love y'all. I'm on the road to 10K. Let's go. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.